In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from MoonPay to your bank or card step by step. First, open the MoonPay app or website and log in with your email. Enter the verification code from your inbox. Then make sure your identity verification, KYC, is completed, because cashing out to fiat normally requires a verified account. Next, go to the Sell section. Choose the crypto you want to cash out, for example, BTC, ETH, or USDT, and then select the fiat currency you want to receive. Would you like USD or EUR? Type in the amount of crypto you want to sell, and MoonPay will show you the estimated cash amount, fees, and exchange rate. Now select your payout method. Depending on your region, this might be a bank transfer, card payout, or another local option. If it's your first time, add your bank or card details, making sure the name matches your MoonPay account. When everything looks correct, confirm the sale. Send the crypto to the address MoonPay gives you if required. Then track the status in your transaction history until the money reaches your bank or card. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.